Assalamualaikum. Chemistry 9th book, chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is Fundamentals of Chemistry. Before starting this chapter, Fundamentals of Chemistry, there is the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is defined as the science that examines the materials of the universe and the changes that these materials undergo. And in this chapter, first of all, branches of chemistry is the main concern. Second is basic definitions, then chemical species, next is Avogadro number and mole, and at last chemical calculations. In branches of chemistry, first of all, there are major branches of chemistry, then is differentiation between branches of chemistry. For major branches of chemistry, first of all, physical chemistry, organic and inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, environmental chemistry, and analytical chemistry. These all are the branches of chemistry. Then is differentiation between branches of chemistry. Here is the objective that how all these different branches of chemistry have their different scope and they are used. Next is basic definitions. In basic definition, first of all, element, compound and mixture. And before starting this, there is a definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and it occupies space is called as matter. After matter, element, compound, mixture comes, and all these are made up of matter. For element, a substance that cannot be converted to other simpler substances is called as element. Compound, a compound is a pure substance that consists of two or more elements held together in a fixed proportion. Then is mixture. A mixture is an impure substance that contain two or more pure substances that retain their individual chemical characteristics. After this, there is atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom, and mass number is the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Next is relative atomic mass and its unit. The mass of an atom of an element relative to the mass of an atom of carbon-12, that is a standard, is called as relative atomic mass. And the unit, that is atomic mass unit, is the unit for relative atomic mass and it is its unit. Next is empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula of a compound is the chemical formula that gives the simplest whole number ratio of atom of each element. And molecular formula gives the actual whole number ratio of atoms of each element that are present in a compound. And in basic definition, in last there is molecular and formula mass. For molecular mass, it is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. And formula mass, it is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a substance. Next is free chemical species. And in chemical species, first of all, ions, then is molecular ions, and at last is free radicals. For ions, ions are positive and negative charge and they are called as cations and anions. Ions are any substance or any atom that has a charge, or we can say it is a charged species. For cation and anion, positive and negative charge. Next is molecular ion. If a molecule loses or gain electron, it becomes molecular ion. Next is free radical. An atom with unpaired number of electrons is called as free radical. This is ion diagram. Here is cation and here is anion. As cation is having positive charge and anion is having negative charge, so positive and negative charge species are collectively called as ions. Next is Avogadro number and mole. In Avogadro number and mole, first of all, there is Avogadro number and then there are different masses. First of all, for Avogadro number is basically a mole is an amount of substance that contain 6.0 to 10 power 23 particles of the substance. The experimentally determined number is called as Avogadro number. So this is the definition of Avogadro number, and it is represented by n and small a, and its value is 6.0 to 10 power 23. Next is molar mass. The mass of 1 mole of a substance is called as molar mass. And gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass are different masses for atomic number. There is chemical calculations. For chemical calculation, mole mass calculation and other calculation is mole particle calculation. For mole mass calculation, it is a chemical calculation in which calculating mass of 1 mole of a substance, means 1 mole of a substance, its mass can easily be calculated by these calculations. For mole particle calculations, here calculating number of atoms in given mole. So these two are different. In first we can measure mass of 1 mole of a substance, and in other mole particle you can measure number of atoms in given moles. Now this is mole and Avogadro constant. In 1 mole of a substance, it contains 6.0 to 10 power 23 particles of the substance, and these particle number, that is exactly 6.0 to 10 power 23, it is called as Avogadro constant, or it is also called as Avogadro number. Now number of moles and number of particles. From number of moles, if you multiply this with 6.0 to 10 power 23, you can get number of particles. And by dividing number of particles by 6.0 to 10 power 23, number of moles can easily be get. Okay.